So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video I am going to discuss about three different job roles, non-voice job roles in three different companies at three different cities. So please watch this video very carefully till the end because these are very interesting job roles and we are going to discuss about eligibility, how to apply, as well as the interview rounds and some of the questions and answers. And in case you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it and please do like my videos to support my channel. Now before starting the first opening, you must be seeing there is a map beside me today which is usually not there, and there is a reason that I have put this map because the first role that I am going to discuss today is for Wipro non-voice process in their mapping department. So if you are looking for a role that does not require you to have good communication skills, then this role is for you, because here you will not have to interact with customers. Here what you will have to do is you will have to make certain changes in Google Maps. So what you will have to do is, if there is a new road constructed in a city, then they will give you a satellite image and you have to locate that road and change the map of that particular area. So this is this kind of job role, and you also have to locate new points of interest. So points of interest are locations like hospitals, malls, schools. So if a new mall or a school or a hospital is opened in a city and that is not marked in Google Map, then you have to locate it and mark it in the Google Map so that Google Map becomes updated. So it is this kind of very interesting job role, and it does not require you to have excellent communication skills. All you need to have is a sound knowledge of working on Google Maps, and you should have the ability to understand how to read maps. So you don't have to be a technical person here, because it will not be that difficult that you need to have an engineering degree to read these maps. These will be simple Google Maps that you are easily able to read. So any graduate is able to apply for this job role, and this is a very interesting job role. Salary is not mentioned. As far as the interview rounds are concerned, first there will be a telephonic round where they will ask you about yourself and why you want to join this role, very basic introduction questions. Second round will be a bit of assessment for English grammar writing, because writing may be required, oral communication may not be required. And next is the HR and the manager interview. I'll later also show you some of the questions that you should prepare for this job role before applying for this. But first I will talk about the other job roles. So the second opening that I'm going to discuss today is for Accenture non-voice role. So here you will have to solve queries of customers, but it will be not via email or call, it will be via their CRM software. So CRM is nothing but customer relationship management software that the company uses to store all the information related to their customers. So whenever their customers make a demand or make a new order, that needs to be checked and that needs to be entered in the CRM. So you will be solely working with that CRM software, which the company will give you a training on, and it is a great software to work on because it has a lot of value. So again, for this you do not need excellent communication skills, so please consider applying for this role also if you do not have excellent communication skills. And regarding the interview rounds, again here online assessment will be there. Grammar test can be considered because written English will still be required, and if you clear that, next round will be HR or the managerial round. And I'll tell you one question regarding the CRM for this particular position also, but before that I'll talk about the last opening, which is for company Sutherland, and it is also for non-voice role only, because today I'm going to discuss non-voice roles. So in this opening, this is a particular non-voice kind of job role where you will have to solve queries of customers via emails and sometimes calls, but mostly emails. So your written English should be good. Oral communications are not that much required. And regarding the interview round, first there will be an online assessment, and for this one they will give you a topic and you have to write a essay on that topic, and essay should have minimum grammatical mistakes because written English will still be required. So you have to write that essay, and if you clear that round, next round will be the HR or the managerial round, where very basic non-voice questions they will ask you. You can watch my other video for Sutherland, where I have shown some of the common questions that are asked in Sutherland for interview process. Now I'll take you to my computer screen to show you how you can apply and some of the questions that can be asked for these particular job roles. So friends, now I have taken you to my computer screen and I'll cover some of the questions that can be asked for this first Wipro mapping job role. So here they can ask you what is mapping and how it is done. So here it is pretty simple process. It is the process of making a map. So mapping is nothing but a process of making a map, and it is done by using two steps. First, you need to know where things are, where your structures or roads are located, and then you need to know what there is, namely the POIs, the point of interest, as I told you, like malls, hospitals, schools, street names and types. You can do these one after the another or both at the same time. So you have to first know where the things are and then what there is and then mark it in the map. So it is a pretty simple mapping process. Now the next point is what is POI. So a point of interest is a dedicated geographic entity such as a milestone, an institute, a heritage site or a corporate office. So you must have seen sometimes in this Google map they must have shown this symbol. So this is for a hotel, this is for a petrol pump, this is for a railway station. So these kind of symbols, this one is for restaurant. So these kind of symbols are shown. So these are called point of interest. Then the last question I'm covering, what is latitude and longitude, because you should be aware of the coordinates of a particular POI on Google Maps. So latitude is long and longitude is nothing but the x and y axis. So as you know, whenever you see when you have to locate a point on earth, you will have to use two dimensions, x and y. So latitude is the y direction which measures your north and south. So it is the line located horizontally above and below the equator. So what is above the equator is north, what is below the equator is south, and the longitude is on the east or west side of the Greenwich meridian. So meridian is nothing but, I'll show you, meridian is nothing but the line which cuts the earth from vertical axis. So whatever is on right side of this line is east and whatever is on west side is west. So you can see that a point on this earth is located and its coordinates are given as 40° north and 30° west. So that means 40° is the latitude, which means angular distance above this point, and 30° west is the longitude, and which is 30° angular distance from this point. So by the help of this longitude and latitude, you can be able to locate all the points on the globe. So that is why you should be aware of this. So these are the simple questions that can be covered. Now we move on to the Sutherland process. Here they can ask you, talk about a time when a friend or a colleague challenged your decision. How did you respond? So they need to check whether if someone challenges your decision, then how will you respond? Then why this role? Why Sutherland? Are you comfortable working with night shifts? So these kind of basic questions will be there. And regarding the Accenture, same questions can be there, but one particular thing they can ask you, what is a CRM? So it is a customer relationship management, which is a software system in which an organization manages its interactions with customers, typically using data analysis to study large amounts of information. So these are the basic questions that can be asked for these job roles. And now I'll show you how you can apply. So this job role, Accenture non-voice, is there on Naukri.com and you can apply to it. Salary is 1.5 to 2.5 for 0 to 1 year experience, and Noida, Gurgaon, Delhi NCR all are open. So a lot of candidates from Delhi NCR had written that they want jobs in Delhi NCR, as I told you in earlier video. So I am giving that job too. And if you haven't written your city name for which you want job, please write it in the comments box. Now the other job that I am going to tell you is Sutherland, that is also there on Naukri.com and you can apply on it. I'll give the link in the description box, and there you can directly WhatsApp to this HR. HR number is given for Sutherland. and the next role that I will be discussing, and this one is for Sutherland is for Chennai, and last Wipro for mapping a non-voice, it is for Hyderabad location. Again, the WhatsApp number of the HR has been given, so you can either apply directly or WhatsApp your resume to this number, and then they will get in touch with you. So all these three openings are there on Naukri.com. I'll give the link in the description box. You will be able to apply. So if this video has been useful to you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.